And we're on the way. Harris, an open look. Off the mark, tip in from Clack.
Interesting to watch how he comes out here tonight.
It's going to be a tough test for the battle. Cat and stop.
Ability of Claxton on both ends.
Hard off glass. No, Claxton. KD straight away. Yes. Millsap for three. Yes.
Early on, I think a big part of that is understanding that they have got opportunities. Sometimes you don't quite see the level of intensity needed. Both defenses here.
And Cat. Claxton. Minnesota comes away with it. Up top, McDaniels.
At the conditioning, the fast pace that we're seeing out of both teams.
For the young fella. Quick feed to Edwards. Finishing in the lane. One of the better finishers already at a Harris. Wide open look. Kansas. Preseason. Anthony Edwards knocks down the mid-range.
Philadelphia game, and Steve Nash talked about it a little during the pre-game press conference.
Joe Harris. Fade away from the elbow. Come on, over for Brooklyn. Beasley for three. He knocks that one down. It's starting to add up for Brooklyn now. Edwards off balance, puts it through. Towns stripped by Patty Mills, who lays it in. Noel firing up. Can't get it to go, but gets his offensive board and puts it in for two. That's caught sleeping there. Bembry with the steal. And the finish! As the Nets turn it over. And could have been an offensive foul. Noel with the push off. No call. Beasley from deep, and he catches it. Towns firing for three to Kansas.
Don't understand my ways. You only see the bright light, but you never see the pain. Don't think you know me well, for goodness.